Hey guys, what's going on? Adam here with Indie Farm Life. Back with the dozer again today. Shock, right? So I still have more topsoil to strip. Getting close. I'd say I'm well over halfway. I came here during the week, this past week, and got some stuff done. Didn't video that because you've already seen 2 videos of it, so why do you need a third? But yet here I am, right? So there'll be a little topsoil removal in this video, but I think what the principal point of this video is to knock a few trees down. Not big ones, but it's pretty cool to bulldoze stuff over that's more than dirt, right? So without further ado, here's some black smoke and some trees falling over. Like I said, there's nothing massive out here to take down, but it's still fun to do. 6 trees, only a couple of them with some size. Let me show you. So this little grove right here, the one here on the left is about the biggest one. Looks like it's probably 6 to 8 inches in diameter. And that one out there in the middle is kind of the same. So let's pick them off. Yeah, that was awesome. Probably good that my buddy Nick was not around for that one. Indiana State grad, and those were all Sycamore trees. I love carnage. All right, one more out there, and then this little guy somehow escaped me right there in that run, so I gotta take him out too. Like it wasn't even there. All right, this one here might actually take a little bit of work. Might have to actually dig around the root ball. I believe it's a pear tree, and it's significantly bigger trunk size than some of the others. This one's for Chris though, because he told me it was going to be a little bit of trouble. I mean, that's a relative term, and he's also not run the dozer, but it ain't going to be any trouble. Felicia. All right, I'll give Chris some credit on that one. The stump hung on. Man, that blade just sheared that whole tree right off its base. I'll leave what's left there for the farmer to dig up. I got a bunch of cleanup to do. What do you think though? Starting to look pretty large out here. All I have left here is this green section to my left. Not bad, but the bad part of that is that most of that dirt needs to go all the way up that way. I was slot dozing the other night. I'll show you a little more of that at least. Well, I got a little bit more done. Stripping the topsoil itself is not the hard part. It's moving it to where you ultimately want it to go. So you can see behind me the massive area that I've kind of stacked up over there. And that's really temporary to kind of push it to its final location. What I ultimately want to do is then rip up this road that I've kind of, built up as I push to the far side there. Probably minimum of 3 to 4 inches where I'm standing here, as much as 8, 10, 12 inches further up there. But clean all this topsoil up and make a berm in that corner there so that I have topsoil to use instead of just, burying it, using it as fill. And really the big downfall about that is it's seed hours, guys. Like, I gotta spend more time on that dozer moving dirt around. Like, woe is me, right? But anyway, it's taking shape. I might actually have a fire out here, just burn all those trees that I have, and I have another brush pile to pick up with the grapple and move out here. But a little section out there to do, but other than that, it's getting there. Thanks again for stopping by and running the D4 with me. You guys sick of these videos yet? I hope not, because there's a whole lot more coming. We'll be throwing in some heavier equipment though, some excavators, a 30-ton Holmes dump wagon towed by a probably 7 or 8 series John Deere tractor. Things are gonna get fun. So hit that subscribe button, come back and see us. Take care, guys.